In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of your WordPress administrative backend. So what you're seeing right now is the installation that we have just done. It has got some data content. If I click on sample page, you're going to see that this is a sample page, and there is also these pages that don't take you anywhere if you click on them. Okay, and then some socials there, and then a bottom part that says designed with WordPress. So basically that's what we have done, and we need to customize this into what we want. And I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of your WordPress. So when you've done the installation, you should have received in your email that you have actually used to say that you have administrative URL and your login details. Okay, so in that case, I'm going to show you the administrative URL. Basically is your website name.com, and then you put a / and then you say WP, and then a dash, and then you say admin, and then / and then this is the administrative URL. Okay, so for those of you who can be confused, especially those that are just getting started, there's a lot of logins and things like that. Don't be, just follow what I'm actually telling you. And then once you click on that, you're going to paste the administrative URL, okay, onto your browser. Once you paste the administrative URL, you will be presented with a page like this. Okay, once you're presented with a page like this, what you have to do is to use the email, the username and the password that you used to create your installation that time when you're doing the installation. And yeah, I'm just going to, okay, if you've forgotten the password, you can just click on lost password, and I'm just going to click on login. Once I click on login, this should direct me to my WordPress dashboard. So as you can see here, the WordPress dashboard comes with a lot which I'm going to cover, but we've just managed to log into our administrative URL. So to log out, all you have to do is to click here on your profile at the top right corner, and then click on log out. That should actually log you out, and then you have successfully logged out of your WordPress administrative URL. And let me show you the method number 2 of how you can actually log in into your WordPress. Okay, so the method number 2 is to go into your cPanel. Okay, once you get into your cPanel, find the installation for WordPress. Okay, I'm just going to click on that. Once you click on that, it's more like maybe you've got you want to start doing the installation. You just scroll down, you're going to see your website here, and then there is the admin icon. Okay, so you just click on login as admin. Once you click on login as admin, just because you're doing this from your cPanel, this should not ask for your password. It should just take you straight to the dashboard. So I've just managed to log in again without entering the password. So again, that's how you log in and log out of your WordPress. And if you can't access your WordPress at all, okay, if you can't access your WordPress at all, there is another method that you can use, but this one is not pretty cool for beginners, something that we can teach you as an advanced method. You just go on the databases, and then you play around with phpMyAdmin. Okay, you play around with that, you'll be able to gain access to your WordPress. So that said, thank you so much for watching this lesson. Please use our community, ask questions, share what you've learned today. And with that said, I can't wait to see you on the next lesson, and bye for now.